Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open 2016 Chevy Cruze hood. Reach under the driver's side dashboard and pull the hood release lever firmly until it clicks. Walk to the front, place your hand under the hood center edge, find the secondary latch, and push it to the side while lifting the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod or hydraulic struts before working in the engine bay. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and pulling the interior hood release lever with one firm motion to disengage the primary catch. Move to the front of the vehicle and slide your fingers under the hood edge to feel the secondary latch. Push that metal latch to the side while lifting the hood gently until it clears the catch. Secure the hood with the prop rod or confirm hydraulic struts hold it safely. Quick recommendation: if you are working under your hood or on a road trip, grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and avoid spills with its spill-resistant lid. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, easy car tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Always make sure the engine is cool before opening the hood to avoid burns from hot components and steam. Wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges, grime, and hot surfaces while working under the hood. Park on level ground and set the parking brake so the vehicle is stable, and use a flashlight if visibility is poor. When closing, lower the hood to about 1 foot and let it drop to latch securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.